So I saw one video where look like police arrest on I boy them. But them a boy enough to go in a prison because they have taxpayer money. Them a boy enough to name none of taxpayer money. Them a boy smart if you catch them and body them off, just a body them off so.
To all this may concern, alright, make that one ride out a little bit. Don't jump to it yet. Don't jump to it yet. Make us see how it play out. Give it about a week.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with T. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Miss Kitty's clapback in regards to divorce and alleged DNA test requested from her husband. Also, we see that Vybz Kartel get 2 new bad dog in them yard, and people are still talking about the 7 boys. You must hear by now that got arrested for essaying the little girl. So stay tuned. If this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Also, I really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video. Stay tuned.
What's your favorite song right now?
For me, Vybz Kartel is back out, so it's a Vybz Kartel. All I'm listening to right now.
Okay.
If you're not in Jamaica on New Year's, you're not nowhere.
Speaking of Freedom Street, Vybz Kartel posted this morning that there will be a discounted rate for the Gaza fans who cannot afford, the $400 and the $300 and the money there. So there's a Black Friday sale going on Vybz Kartel's Freedom Street concert tickets starting November 29th to the 30th and all the way to December 1st. 50% off on Bleachers ticket. So if you're still interested in going, go over to Vybz Kartel's page. Click on the link in his bio and purchase your tickets now. Still on Vybz Kartel. Kartel gets on the big dog in our yard. I'll see them and play with them. Check this out.
This one is so big it comes off. Come!
Hold him, man. Don't let him go, man. I go like him a bad man. Hey, boy, don't make me come for you.
So I heard that the police has arrested the 7 boys, or arrested them. Who, I don't know if it's all of them, but they got arrested for what they did. And I'm going to show you what charges they received and also this famous TikToker's take on it. Check this out.
As the teen boys seen in a video sexually assaulting a schoolgirl have been charged. The agency says they have been charged with several offenses, including rape, forcible abduction, knowing and producing child pornography, and distributing child pornography. The video, which began circulating on social media late last week, shows a 13-year-old girl being physically abused while being sexually assaulted by the boys. The CPFSA says investigations revealed that the group of male students allegedly lured the schoolgirl to a house where she was sexually assaulted and the act recorded. Head of the CPFSA, Lorette Adams Ace Thomas, says the agency has intervened in the matter and is providing psychological intervention for the teenaged girl.
Our investigating team located the young girl and her family and met with them on Sunday, November 24th, and provided brief counseling. The child was referred to the Victim Services Division for additional support, and she's also to receive a medical assessment today, Monday, January 25th. And we will continue to work with the family through our Children and Family Support Unit. The levels of violence we continue to see being displayed by our children are of grave concern. And sadly, this also seems to be a reflection of the violence and disrespect towards women and girls that permeate our society. We need to do more now to protect our children and the future. These kind of maladaptive behaviors in our schools and communities must not be condoned. And we must teach our boys that masculinity is not synonymous with abuse.
So I saw one video where look like police arrest on I boy them. But them a boy enough to go in a prison because they have taxpayer money. Them a boy enough to name none of taxpayer money. Them a boy smart if you catch them and body them off, just a body them off so. And when time then done body them off, then chop them up fine and dash them overseas. Yeah, so them fi deal with them. Torture them, light all them balls, right? After them done body them off, light all them balls, light them ears, chop off them finger, chop off them nose. Yeah man, torture for no. Uno fi go inside, go rub upside on nobody. Uno no figure rub up with nobody. Touch on until uno dead. Then chop uno up fine and throw on oversea. Yeah man. Uno no figure go inside. Nobody no figure look for uno and come arrest and put in a van and carry a prison process. No. No. Uno fi chop up and dash a sea or chop up give some animal finiam. Yeah, uno no fi go inside. So police are wasting time and arrest no or make a community catch no one and beat no till uno dead. Yeah, me not sorry for uno. Me not sorry for no boy will rape look up with me. Me not sorry for uno. Yeah, uno fi go inside, I lie down and sleep and I get food for them. No. Hang them fi hang uno by no balls. Tie one rope on no balls and turn uno upside down and just a beat uno so till uno dead.
Tell me what you guys think about that in the comment section. Miss Kitty, right? Allegedly, there was a video of a guy coming on TikTok and multiple videos I've seen where they're saying that her husband requested a DNA test on her daughter and that's why he is now asking for a divorce. Don't know if it's true, but this TikToker said that it might be rumors. However, this is what he said. Check this out.
To all this may concern, alright, make that one ride out a little bit. Don't jump to it yet. Don't jump to it yet. Make us see how it play out. Give it about a week. Because this is a big one, you know. So don't quick forever input yet. Give it about a week and make us see how it play out. Because I don't want to go say nothing too quick, too early, and then radam. You understand? So to all this may concern, make that one marinate, and we see how it go. You see me, don't jump in it just yet, alright? To who this may concern, alright? Yeah.
Vybz Kartel will be doing a show next year, sometime in next year in Trinidad, and one of the promoters of their popular Trinidad festival where they keep, soca parties, and he is not pleased, and Kartel is getting a backlash for that, saying that, you might come take with their money. But check this out.
Vybz Kartel, now everybody respect you because of your legendary history. But you see what you're doing there? Planning to have your own concert on Fantastic Friday, the Friday before Carnival. I don't think too much people is going to agree with that. So please, before things get hectic, go back to the drawing board. Because if it's one thing about Trinidadians, you see when it comes to our Carnival season, we don't want to hear nothing else. We respect our artists. Now we have no problem you coming to Trinidad Carnival, but you have to be coming to perform on either Marshall Monday or Cash Tuesday or Army Fest or any fest that concerns us. You cannot come in our season to take our money on our Fantastic Friday. It's not going to work like that. It's either you come after Carnival or you don't come to perform at all. I think I have to put some respect on Carnival names.
Carnival is supposed to be soca, calypso, and chutney. We ain't taking that. We ain't losing with soca culture like that. I Yankee boy. Sorry. I understand on a business standpoint, but this one is not for business. This is culture. This one is for culture, not greed. I love my dancehall. I like my Vybz Kartel, but soca music, carnival, soca, calypso, chutney, tassa, steel pan, yeah. Come on, Trinidad. We're not going down like this. I'm not losing my culture like this. What happened to Ash Wednesday?
Tell me what you guys think about that in the comment section.
Uno 7 little nasty honey ram goat. Uno see dirty behavior uno take up already. Uno see uno parents sacrifice uno things for send uno to school. And uno see uno go take up graping, beating, and bathroom pitney. I just want to know this. Uno not too young for dead. Uno not too young for dead. I see some uno man in the comment section about a little boy them. Uno and them I see same thing. Why make a little boy they can't go play football and cricket, hide and seek, and them little something there? Why make enough to choose go to up raping and beating when you can't get the crutches? A little one a beat her like in hand more than nobody else. Me say one of them my son alive me a tap in your skull and cracky because me now because of you people gonna kill off my family. Oh no forget wicked punishment because if you're so young and not go pingy a bother already. When you don't get the hole, on the fuck goat, rat, fowl, every ras thing.
Anyways, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. And if you reach this far in the video, thank you so much. Honestly, leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.